Hello and welcome. You're watching dbmnTv. This is Mona Lisa Rambai, bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. With open arms, the Salesian province Santa Rosa of Peru PER welcomes the Salesians of the whole Inter-America region from the 29th to 21st of March. They have come to Lima to celebrate the 2023 team visit with the Rector Major, his vicar, the sector councillors and the regional councillor. On Tuesday, the 28th of March, was the day of arrivals and the first welcome to all the participants. Some provincial delegations landed on Peruvian soil days before this fraternal meeting with the joy, closeness and fraternity that characterized them. They were thus able to learn a little bit about the cultural richness and history of the country and the province, the shrine of Santa Rosa de Lima, the convent of Santo Domingo, the catacombs of San Francisco, the Parque de la Reserva, the historic center of Lima, Plaza Mayor, the Parque de la Muralla, the Church of San Francisco. The Fundación Salesianos, an institution of social solidarity promoted by the Salesian St. Anthony Province of Portugal Department of Missions, recently launched a campaign linked to the devolution of the personal income tax, which aims to help young people in situations of vulnerability, supported by structures such as Solsal, Solidaridad Salesiana or Misia Don Bosco, Fundo Solidario Salesiano. The primary objective of the Salesian Foundation is to support children and young people in situations of vulnerability, promoting the education and integral formation of each one, thus guaranteeing their future. When submitting their tax return, citizens residing in Portuguese territory and non-residents who receive income in Portugal will be able to choose to donate 0.5% of their assessed tax to the Salesian work, thus helping to guarantee education and training of young people at risk. The community of Don Bosco Seminary, Kismadu, witnessed the graduation ceremony of the final year students of philosophy belonging to 2021 to 23 batch on the 24th of March 2023 in all its pomp and glory. The valedictory function began at 9:15 a.m. with a solemn procession of the graduates along with the dignitaries of the day. After the praise song by the first year students of philosophy, Father Nana Prakesh Dilip, SDB, the principal of the seminary, welcomed the gathering. Reverend Father Shalbin Kalancheri SDB, the Vice Provincial of the Sacred Heart Province, Bangalore, the chief guest of the day, delivered the keynote address. In his speech, Father Shalbin congratulated the graduates for their 2 years of hard work in intellectual pursuit and reminded them that the completion of philosophical studies is a point of departure to serve the young with all the learnings as effective practical trainees. He also awarded the diploma to the 27 graduates. Father Joy Kaipan SDB, the rector of the seminary, felicitated the graduates and handed over the academic proficiency awards to 6 students who secured distinction with 80% and above. These results of this year are as follows: distinction 6, first class 17, second class 3 and third class 1. Graduation day concluded with a college anthem and photo session. From the 25th to the 27th of March, after the team visit to the South Cone America region, Father Alfred Maravilla, General Councillor for the Missions, went on a pilgrimage to the places of Blessed Ceferino Namucura and Blessed Laura Vicuña, accompanied by the Provincial Delegate for Missionary Animation of the Argentina Sur Province, ARS. Father Francisco Cimento, Father Maravilla visited San Ignacio in the province of Nugun, where some members of Blessed Ceferino's family live and where his relics are kept in the shrine dedicated to him. The shrine is very striking architecturally and its shape is inspired by a kultrum, a sacred musical instrument of the Mapuche people to whom the young blessed belonged, which in its semi-spherical shape represents half the world in the Mapuche visions of the cosmos. On the 28th of March at 7 a.m., Father Angel Fernandez Artime, Rector Major, visited the Salesian work in Bosconia for a fraternal meeting with the Salesians of Don Bosco and the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians, FMA. The work is a technical training center where the FMA accompanies more than 300 young people over the age of 20 and another 250 girls who study therein. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.